Hey guys, this was supposed to be just a shed to put, toilet paper, paper towels, any type of like storage stuff, yeah. So this trip we had a guest with us, and we were like, instead of pitching a tent, why don't we just take everything out of here, put it elsewhere, and put the cot in here, put the rug, put a little mirror right here, and make this his sleeping quarters. But what happened was didn't have any airflow in here, and we had to use this heater right here because it got down pretty cold. Now, when you use something like this, you have to have ventilation. So what we ended up coming up with was these are solar powered in and out fans, and we found them on the TikTok shop. On the TikTok shop, you would buy these and install them yourself. I mean, they worked so good, and coming from the TikTok shop, you never know what you're going to get. But this item's 10 out of 10. It's working so good. Solar powered. I mean, it's just amazing. So we have a little tiny vent. Let's see. We installed this. So basically what the idea was to suck in air, or you could do it the other way and you can pull air out, but also have another vent on the other side to keep the flow going from this side. I thought it was super cool. Cameraman installed it. I wish we would have got some footage on how to do it, but it's super simple. I mean, anybody can do it. I'm sure if you're a man, you've already done stuff on something like this, like whatever, you're a man, you know how to do it. So very easy. I totally recommend it if you had a project that you needed like some ventilation for. These are perfect, so perfect. So I wanted to bring that to your attention. So I'll have the product linked in this video. Yeah, grab it if you need it. It's super, super handy. Okay, I'm gonna take you and show you the solar panel that is charging it or powering it. That's it. I mean, how perfect. You get one of these little things right here, and you put it on the outside. We have a mesh thing underneath so bugs, bigger bugs can't get through. The mesh is big enough for the tiny little microscopic gnats that they could probably get through there if they found that hole, but I mean, it's so like small. Okay, I recant that. There is a little tiny, I forgot I cut 2 little mesh squares, tiny. I don't even think the gnats will get through that, so good to go. Oh, look, look, there's the bird that I was supposed to get, but it's okay, I'll get it next time. Look, they're still there. Someone said the birds were gonna get it, but it's still there, so that's pretty cool. They're still there. I'm going to be getting started on my garden. I think everything will survive at night. It's not getting as cold, so my garden is ready to be tended to, ready to put some stuff in the ground for this summer, so I'm very excited to maybe do a short little vlog of what I decided to put in my garden this year. So I think that'll be cute. Also, before we finish this, I just want to show you this tree is now officially 3 years old. It survived another winter, and it is my... The bug on me?
No.
Oh goodness, the bug flew right in my mouth.
It's in your nose. It's in your nose.
Jeez. A green apple tree. I grew this little baby from scratch. And yeah, I put her in the ground last year, and I might have to dig deep and take her out of this and put her somewhere else, because honestly, I forget. I don't know why I put her in a bed like this, but I should have kept her in a big pot, and when she gets really big, like maybe 7 years old, then put her in the ground at her final destination. So, but either way, she's alive, she survived. I'm so thankful, because I really wasn't sure. I didn't cover her up, I didn't do anything to prepare her for winter, honestly. So, but she survived. I'm super happy. And I did put some strawberries in this box. I put the box in here so none of the critters could get to it. I put I put strawberries here, so I'm gonna have this as a strawberry box, probably gonna overflow if I don't move it. I also did not juice this the other day, so I put this in that pot, and we'll just, you know, keep that growing or whatever. And also, my wild strawberries are blooming. Look at this. So, look, we already got little tiny bees tending to it. These are wild strawberries there, here. So we've got a whole little, here's more strawberries right here. This is a patch. So that's why I took this and did this, so we didn't step on them. For some reason, they only grew right there. Wild strawberries, baby. I'm not gonna let the rabbits get to them this year. They're mine this year. Rabbits, you hear me? You hear me? Drama. No, I'm serious. I wanted to get some, I went to go pick them. They were gone. The rabbit got to them before I did. The little bunnies. I need your help. These are everywhere. Look, I could probably do some Googling, but I would like to get your opinion. Do I need to spray them, wipe them out? Are they friendly? Are they good for my environment? Are they bad for the environment? They're kind of like everywhere. I could probably count like 20 pods just right around our area, but I don't exactly know what those are, but I'm sure they're probably pests. Anyway, if you know, comment below. I'm going to be reading the comment section, and I need to know what to do with those. So I could probably do a little Googling, but I want to hear what you have to say first. So I think that's it. I will wrap the vlog up from here and stop rambling. So I'm very excited for my next adventure for YouTube, is definitely getting this garden going. So I can't wait. I cannot wait. Oh boy. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I can't wait. Okay, so yes, I'm excited about the little in and out thing that we put in the airway system that we put in the shed. That is such a huge help. Now, if we continue to let guests stay in that, at least they have some airflow and it's not stagnant. But other than that, guys, this will do it, and I shall see you on the next video.